Here is a budget-friendly Portuguese Christmas stir sauté, sautéed chickpeas with spinach and chorizo. Serves 4. Prep time 35 minutes. 400 grams of cooked chickpeas. 150 grams of fresh spinach leaves. 100 grams of chorizo sliced into thin rounds. 1 medium onion, peeled and chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, peeled and minced. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Juice of half a lemon. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large nonstick frying pan over medium heat for 1 minute. Add 100 grams of sliced chorizo and sauté for 3 minutes, stirring until the edges are lightly crisp and the fat releases. Add 1 medium chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, and cook for 5 minutes until the onion is soft and translucent. Stir in 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and cook for 30 seconds to bloom the spices. Add 400 grams of cooked chickpeas and toss to coat, cooking for 4 minutes so the chickpeas warm and absorb the flavor. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, stirring to distribute evenly. Add 150 grams of fresh spinach leaves in batches, wilting each batch for 1 minute until all the spinach is soft. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon over the pan and stir for 30 seconds to brighten the flavors. Cook for an additional 1 minute to meld the flavors, then remove from heat. Transfer the sautéed chickpeas to a warm serving plate and adjust seasoning if necessary. Garnish with a small wedge of lemon and serve immediately. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Now we will finish and share the final dish. Enjoy this simple, festive and economical Portuguese dish. If you liked this budget-friendly Portuguese Christmas recipe, like the video, subscribe and ring the bell for more festive ideas.